various records. There's various stages of whether it's successful or not.
Right.
Some you can actually keep in your house.
Here's our new addition to our family. These are Nigerian dwarf goats. Little brown one's 2 months old, and the black and white one is 3 months old. And black and white's definitely a more of a aggressive has aggressiveness compared to the other one, because he wasn't raised with dogs.
That's the thing. He's not aggressive.
Yeah.
He's nervous about the dogs. This little guy right here
Had something to do with dogs.
He had little black Pekingese that he used to run around in the yard with.
Oh, okay.
So he's uneasy because he doesn't know who they are.
Right, but
he's not frightened.
Yeah.
This little dude right here,
yeah,
he had a dog that lived where he lived, but the dog was never allowed to be around him.
Right.
Because he was with Mama.
Yeah.
And Mama would have killed us.
Right.
So he's never been with him.
Polly, where are you going? Get down here.
I mean, he's not.
And his mama wants to.
He's not
What,
charging
mama?
the fence. He's not hitting
Want to
the
be a
fence
mama
like
with
he's
somebody
trying to knock him. He's nervous.
Right, right.
He's not aggressive. He's scared.
Yeah. Well, he has head-butted the fence where they were at, so he will if he does. So. Hi, Mama. What are you thinking? Huh? What are you thinking? You're a little taller than you are. I know you want to be friends.
Look, he's not running for the fence. He's standing by my leg.
No, I know. I'm not saying that. He head-butted the fence in his cage when they came by, so he is.
Because he was really
Definitely.
scared then.
Yeah. Yeah. And he's got his little snort.
Which means he's nervous.
Yeah.
Look that up. That's nervous. That's not aggressiveness. That's nervousness.
Uh-huh.
No, come here. No, let me see it. You need a bath. You got something sticky on you. Yeah, go right in there. Go right in there. You see what's in there? Why don't you go see what's in there? See what's in there. Go look out the window.
I'll jump out the window, you see. He went out, I'm gonna go out too.
Come here. What are you doing? What are you doing? He's got his paws out, his hooves on the windowsill.
He's sticking his head out.
And he's peeking his head out. Look at him, look. He's so cute. This is exactly why I got the house.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Mama, don't you dare. She said, I'm trying to figure out if I can dig under here.
I know, I'm gonna figure out how she gets in.
They're gonna make friends. They just need time. They're babies. What? You're okay. You're okay. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Yes, come on. There's a baby. Oh, try it again, dude. You need a bigger table.
Hey, can I put the slide on there?
What is it with you with the slide? There's a slide right there.
Alright.
What? That's why I wanted to make him something out of the toddler bed.
Right.
Something big enough for them both to jump on.
Yeah. That's cool.
Yeah. What you doing?
I had to add some more video here because they're moving around here.
He's a little more chatty than normal. Normally he's not chatty.
Oh. They stay right with her.
Come on, babies. Come on, jump, jump. Jump, jump. Come on, jump, jump. Woo.
I like little dogs. Follow you right around.
Jump, jump. Here. What's in here?
Huh.
Well, come on.
Got a cute little bar.
Hey. Come on. Come on. We doing? We doing? We doing? Come on now.
She said, "Nope, I'm gonna go around." I'm gonna try stepping on that and see how that works.
Come on. You're okay.
They are curious, aren't they?
Come on. Wait till you get that put up so you can actually
They're
lay
cute.
on it. Yeah.
Wow.
Now he's actually poled. Did I tell you that?
He just scratched that.
What?
He just scratched that bump. So I'm thinking he got bit by something.
I'm gonna keep an eye on it.
Yeah. That's good. They're eating most everything in here.
Oh yeah.
I don't know. We got the rose bushes in here. I don't know what
The
you're gonna.
rose bushes they can have because they're not typical standard rose bushes.
Oh, okay.
They're called something else because I have an app on my phone that identifies them,
So they'll eat that?
and they can have those. It's not gonna hurt them.
Really? The
No.
barbs won't bother them.
No, evidently not.
Oh.
There's really
Nothing in here. They can eat it all.
They're supposed to be smart enough instinctively
Right.
to know
What they can eat.
I shouldn't be eating this.
Okay. That's good.
Now-
Well, you've identified everything in here, so.
I've identified everything as much as I could.
Yeah.
Look at him. He says, "I want to get up there to your hand."
What's he doing? Oh, here comes the other crew. Here's the other other goat mama.
Yeah, she got sent home sick.
Oh, Jesus. Great.
She's got a sniffle,
Oh, she got a sniffle, so they
so
sent her
they
home.
think she's got COVID.
Great. Kids never gonna learn anything if they keep having to send them home.
I know, right?
Jesus.
Don't spill that! Is that mine?
Yeah, you get her.
Really?
You get her, Pooh.
See me, dude?
Get her, Pooh. And the other goat mama.